I'm an airplane. I became an airplane.
You were the chosen one!
Why you dead? It's me, Mario. Welcome to Mario Galaxy, a game that I played through. Is this my favorite Mario game? I'll tell you, I think in my opinion it's better than Mario Sunshine and Mario Deluxe. I don't know about Mario 64. Ooh! Did I already complete this galaxy? Ugh. Oh. I didn't, but wait. We're going the other way. Human! Speak to me! Whoa! Whoa! Drip! You got the drip! I want the drip.
What?
Well, you died.
What the fuck?
The soundtrack is a bop. Like I say about a lot of my other games, but...
Are you sure about that?
And Mario, you died again. Yeah! Oh. I do have a very big complaint about the game, the camera. Mario 64 doesn't have a good camera either, but like, it's not as bad as this one. Ah, Luigi.
You were my brother, Anakin!
Creep, bro.
Brother. Woohoo! Oh, hi, Rosalina. There you go. Wait. Delicious? You think that's delicious? What if we just go, wait, the bedroom is in the back and the kitchen is off to the right.
I don't like where this is going.
The bedroom? Okay, I guess I'm gonna go sleep now. Let me sleep. Oh, dang it. This is Rosalina's bedroom? I thought it would be all blue. It's time for epic battle royale. Jeez. Whee. Whoa! Ah, yes. The sand. Yo, you're gonna hurt your arms. You became a helicopter. Yo, Mario, you're not a human. I'll tell you that. Whoa. I'm an airplane. I became an airplane.
You were the chosen one!
Mario dead. After the death of Mario, he risen again. And now he's back. Wow. He's an attack airplane, not gonna lie. Whee! If you guys want to see more Mario Galaxy or any Mario game, yeah, I survived. Make sure to like the button. Alright. Yoink.
Hello there.
Jeez. Hello. Thank you for stars. Yeah. Go, Mario, run.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Alright, boss fight. You. Woo! Run, Mario, run. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mark. Hello, everybody.
Boom.
My name is Markiplier.
Whee! No, Mario. He dead. Mario. Hi. Okay. Come on. Go. Just run. Yoink, 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 yoink. Hey, boys, we're gonna win. Oh. Hey. Get out of my way, you little. He might try. Give me all the starter. Come on, Mario. Yeah. Give us the yummy goodie. Give us the Gucci yummy. Yoink. No. Ooh. Yo, fire. Eat fire. Oh. Do 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 do. Oh.
You underestimate my
Mario.
power.
We're gonna speedrun this. Yoink. Go. Thank you for this yummy. No! Mario! Mario says goodbye.